The 2014 Yamaha YZF-R125. If you mix speed with first-class handling abilities and you also throw in some bad boy attitude, you'll certainly get the perfect recipe for any sports bike. Needless to say, the Yamaha YZF-R125 has it all and even more. Even if it is one of the smallest sport bike designed by Yamaha, the YZF-R15 is backed up by the latest technologies developed by the Japanese manufacturer, and every part of the bike was designed to help you stay in control at high speeds. Talking about technology, the Yamaha YZF-R15 is fitted with upside-down front forks, aluminium swinging arm, a multifunction LCD instrument panel and high-tech brakes. The motorcycle is propelled by a 124.7 cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, SOHC, 4-valves engine which cranks out 11.0 kilowatts (15.0 PS) at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 12.4 newton-meters (1.25 kg-m) of torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Hit the jump for more information on the Yamaha YZF-R15. Overview. Welcome to the world of R series. Right now there's a bike that offers everything you could have dreamed of, and more. Surf the net and check out the rivals. And you'll see that nothing in the 125cc class can match what our latest Yamaha YZF-R125 has to offer. That's because this remarkable motorcycle has been developed using the same advanced design and technology that makes our larger capacity R series models some of the most respected bikes on the street and track. Its radical bodywork is a direct spin-off from our World Championship-winning R6. And with class-leading features like upside-down front forks, aluminium swinging arm and a short-stroke liquid-cooled engine, the YZF-R125 is built to thrill. 2014 Yamaha YZF-R15 key features. Ultimate class-leading 125cc Supersport. Legendary race-bred R-Series DNA. R6-inspired dual headlight fairing. Race-type air intake between headlights. High-rigidity upside-down front forks. Multi-function LCD instruments. Highly efficient fuel injection system. Lightweight race-bred wheels with Y-shaped spokes. High-tech radial front caliper with floating disc. Revised rear suspension linkage for added comfort. Forged aluminium rear brake pedal and shift lever. Aluminium die-cast passenger footrests. 2014 Yamaha YZF-R15 features and benefits. Liquid-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. Featuring a free-revving short-stroke configuration, the liquid-cooled 125cc 4-stroke engine drives a slick-shifting 6-speed gearbox to give ultra-responsive acceleration. Equipped with a highly efficient fuel injection system, the latest generation YZF-R125 delivers thrilling performance with outstanding fuel economy. Lightweight aluminium chassis components. R-Series DNA is evident in the light and immensely strong aluminium swinging arm which ensures precision handling and confident roadholding. A redesigned rear linkage gives even greater riding comfort, and with the brake pedal, shift lever and passenger footrests all made from aluminium, the YZF-R125 has a leading specification. Multi-function LCD instrumentation. The YZF-R125 is equipped with one of the most sophisticated LCD instrument panels seen on a 125cc bike. Its comprehensive backlit display includes a digital speedometer with a bar-type tachometer, and the advanced design also includes data on fuel level and fuel consumption, as well as distance and range trip meters. R6-inspired bodywork. With its aggressive twin headlight fairing and central air intake, there's no mistaking the R-Series heritage in the latest YZF-R125. The new generation R6-inspired front cowl gives this class-leading 125cc Supersport a genuine big bike look and feel, and the slippery aerodynamic bodywork is ready to slice through the air for maximum riding excitement. High-rigidity upside-down forks. Just like the legendary R1 and WSS winning R6, the YZF-R125 is now equipped with upside-down front forks which offer high levels of rigidity for precise and responsive handling characteristics. To emphasize the R-Series racing heritage, the front fender features a carbon look finish, giving the latest YZF-R125 a real big bike character. Lightweight race-bred wheels. Newly designed lightweight wheels utilize a race-bred multi-spoke design featuring thin Y-shaped spokes that contribute to a low unsprung weight for responsive suspension action and precise handling. And with a 180/-17 front tire and wide section 130/70/-17 rear tire, this 125cc Superport bike is built to slice the bends. Radial front brake caliper and floating disc. The YZF-R125's advanced new front braking system is a spin-off from our larger capacity R-Series models. Featuring a floating 297mm diameter disc, the high-specification radially mounted caliper is designed to deliver strong and effective braking performance and outstanding initial response. Specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.